I'm the managing director of Craftable Software, which is a proud company from Porto. First of all, I want to thank IPBN for having us here, and for all of you to be here. It was not forecasted, but I want to thank a lot to John Paul. For someone as me that is really passionate about our city, the way he describes our city, the passion that he feel about our city is exactly what we want to achieve whenever we welcome someone here. So thanks a lot. Okay, Craftable Software. I'll try to focus my presentation more on the pros and things of coming to Porto than actually on the company. So I'll be explaining what the company is. Okay, so we started this company right in the middle of COVID. Okay, and both of my partner just were exposed to a situation that made us feel very angry. Not angry, but a bit frustrated, is that we were both managing a team of highly qualified professionals, and then the projects that we had and the companies we work for, someone on a spreadsheet that said that you need to cut 5-10 people just on a spreadsheet. So we were really frustrated about that. We said, come on, we train these people. They are really high qualified professionals. The market in Porto, as you all know, on IT, it's you get the people, the business will come later. And so we decided to build Craftable. We built a company in 2020. This slide is a bit outdated, so we are already 60 people, and we will finish this year with more than 80 people. Currently, we have about 6-7 nearshore teams, plus some internal projects that we do for Portuguese companies. We are a software house. Our main product is to build we build the teams to be the arms of the companies. We don't recruit people and send it to companies. We build a team, and then we put that team on the company. Product owners, quality assurances, you name it. So ideally, on every customer, we want to be an extension to the customer, to our partners. We don't want to be like subcontracting company. So why I'm the last one, so I'll probably be repeating most of the things that everyone else said. So Portugal have a big, like really good universities, okay? And everyone said that the universities, like people have really good degrees, in technical qualifications, but also our universities give us something that there's a Porto word for that, but I won't say here, I will say in private, that give us the ability to, just get something complex, and crack on, get the job done. And this is a mentality not only for Porto, but also from the whole north of Portugal, and also from the rest of the country, but mostly from the north of Portugal. It's like, get the job done, and don't turn your face to complex challenges. Okay. Also, like English level, I would say not only English level, but we like Spanish, even German. I manage like some years ago a call center here in Portugal that was taking calls for Burger King in Germany. So there were people here sitting speaking German and food being delivered in Germany. So I would say English level. He's really good here in not only in Porto, but in the whole country. And also, I'm repeating again, quality of life here. The weather is great, food, all the perks that you need to attract talent and maintain people in Porto, not only IT people, but also like if you work on industry, there's a good work-life balance here. again, something that helps if you are planning to move your company to build a company here, or even if you are personally wanting to come to Porto, is that I think Porto people don't live for the day. Okay, we don't. Whenever I go to talk to you, it's like we tend to build a long-lasting relation. And I think it's whenever you start meeting more people from Porto, you'll see that that's actually true. Okay, you'll probably take some time for someone to invite you for dinner, but they'll be friends for the whole life. Food, I believe, probably like 99% of everyone here had francesinha. Yeah. I would say like 20% had tripas. Yeah. So what connects us to Ireland? First, we also have some of these beautiful roads. This is actually a nice road that I've never done it, but I wanna do it. That goes, it's the world, not here in Ireland, it's the world, correct me if I'm wrong, the world's largest coastal road in the world. Okay. So we just put this road here because this is a pleasant road, okay? And we want we feel that if you come to Portugal, we want to make your journey here as pleasant as this road. Okay. So we have the same time zone. That helps a lot. Okay. We have direct flights to Dublin, which we also need to thank an Irish person, Mr. O'Leary, for that. We are all both like honest on what we say, okay? If we have to say something, we'll say, and we'll be accountable for that. If we want to say something, we don't go on political things and workarounds not to say it. We'll say it, and then we'll say, okay, if I say it, I'm accountable for that. And this, I'm being a bit vague, but this applies also on the professional life and on a software company. If we have something, if we have a challenge, if we'll do it, we'll be accountable for that, and proudly accountable for that, for the good and for the bad. And this is a bit about more about Craftable. Okay, we love extremely complex challenges, and if you bring us something simple, we will not be that happy. And again, this is Craftable, and I'm mixing a bit with the mentality of Porto. Don't bring something simple to someone here. Bring them a challenge that they'll be very, like, first of all, they'll probably complain about you. This is too complicated. They'll be all around the world in the first days, but then that's what makes people stay in the companies, okay? And makes them go to the office with a purpose and then with a smile on their face. On all of these points, I will focus on Academy, which we already mentioned here, that the IT market, not only in Porto, like in Portugal and in the whole Europe, is crazy. So in our company, we have an Academy program, and we even, every customer that we have, for every team of 3 to 4 people, we always put a junior for free. Someone that either is a QA, a quality assurance, front-end developer, someone that is junior. So we give them for free to the company. They are being trained, then some of them can enter the IT world, which without this opportunity they would have other, I don't know, they would be doing something else. But let's say we have an Academy program. We do that Academy along with our customers for free, and then we train people to quickly merge the IT world. And it's being very, very successful. And that's it. Welcome to Porto, and really happy to have you here. At the end in a couple of years, if I get to know that one of your companies decided to move here, that'll be the best prize I could get from this meeting, this presentation.